Welcome to the Department of Information Technology. Our smart classrooms create an immersive learning environment, integrating advanced teaching methodologies with interactive digital platforms.
I'm Roshni from the Department of IT. Our department focuses on programming, networking and database management. We gain strong technical knowledge through practical learnings.
Our state-of-the-art computer laboratories provide a strong foundation in programming, data systems, networking, and emerging technologies. Under the visionary leadership of our head of the department, and with the guidance of our highly qualified faculty members.
Hi, I am Rajesh, final year student of IT department. Our labs provides hands-on experience on real-time IT applications, and our faculty members guide us with industry-oriented programming.
Our dedicated teaching staff ensure continuous mentorship. In our advanced computing facilities, innovation thrives.
The department prepares us our career in software systems administrations and IT service.
Admissions are now open. Begin your journey with us. Lead the future of technology. J.K.K. Munirajah College of Technology stands as a symbol of quality education,